Hello everyone, my name is Pastor Duran. Today I will talk to you about why you must visit Chichen Itza. Let's go. A means city on the edge of the water world of the Itzas. It is located 115 kilometers of the city of Mérida, Yucatan, taking highway number 180 to the town of Monday to Sunday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. In Chichen Itza, we can see the pyramid of KUKULKAN, sacred cenote, temple of the warrior, the snail, and temple of Howard, and many other things. Also, we can see the structure of Chichen Itza. Now know a little of the buildings there are in Chichen Itza. Number 1. The pyramid of KUKULKAN. The building and the most imposing can be observed easily from all angles of the territory and is located in the middle of a great esplanade. It is considered one of the new 7 wonders of the world. 2. The ball game, also known as Poc-Tapoc, is practiced since the pre-Columbian epoch in other parts of the continent. 3. The sacred cenote, where performed human sacrifice and various rituals. It's not possible to access the cenote, but you can see from a nearby area. 4. The warrior is considered one of the most important buildings. It is believed that the columns of the buildings were covered with stucco and paint of different colors. 5. The Snail. It is also known as Observatory or the Temple of Venus. There the Mayas performed studies astronomical of the universe. Some tips for visit Chichen Itza, they are: wear comfortable clothes and hire a guide. Go to Chichen Itza in the morning for the weather and to be patient of the children. That's all. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you like it.